Awesome. I'm Don Garcia. And this is Robot Chick and your mom. 3 stories. That was our friend Jim helping us out. We're going to be hitting the road right now. So, come on, let's go.
Period! Take a video of me running up there and say, oh, look at John Lennon! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's John Lennon! That's not John Lennon. Hello, Wisconsin! Oh.
Yeah, hi, I'll get the patriotic burger with the bush fries.
Oh.
Stop.
Get the fuck away from my truck! Go! What the fuck? Shut up! Park security.
Oh, good. You done?
Hello? Hey, Tyler. Tyler!
What?
Guess what?
What?
Is your refrigerator running?
Oh, Shim.
Ah, yeah! You got me! You got me! You are good! You are good!
Oh, you man, you
oh,
man.
Yes!
Hey, see you later.
Alright.
Well, Shim picked up.
What the fuck? Fuck! No no squirt! Love it!
Fuck that store. I hated it. I like your blue jeans with brownie spencer. Really are not. Oh no!
Ah! Ah!
Boy, see this one. See that one. See that one. I see that one.
You're soon the cows will be running home. Can I exchange these for a sandwich?
For a sandwich?
Yeah, sandwich. Bologna.
Just get out of here.
Dude, come on!
Just go. Just,
Dude,
come on.
what the hell?
Come on. Just
My
get
God!
out.
Alright, go. Oh, this looks good. Look at that. That looks really good. Check that out.
It does.
Waiter? Waiter?
Very, very bad service. Bad service, I tell you.
Chill.
Fairly new?
Only you.
Really? Well, how about you get out of my store again?
I'm gonna go at EB Games.
Great.
Oh, lonely bus boys, washing the floor of the store as they wait, waiting for pay.
I'm getting cancer for this? Oh. Oh shit. Hi Nicole. Hi Nicole. Winter's
figured so,
coming.
'cause It's funny because it's true.
I'm your Huckleberry.
Fuck you!